In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group projects in Asana. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple projects and need a way to keep them organized, Asana's portfolio feature is a great solution. It allows you to group projects together so you can manage and track them more efficiently. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set up your own project grouping in Asana. First things first, you'll need to head over to Asana. Open your web browser and log into your Asana account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. It's from here that we'll start creating a portfolio to group your projects. On the left-hand side, locate the Project tab. You'll notice a plus icon here. This is the button you'll need to click to begin creating your new portfolio. Think of a portfolio as a folder where you can place multiple projects, making it easier to manage them as a cohesive unit. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled New Portfolio. This is your gateway to grouping projects, allowing you to view them all in one place and manage them more effectively. Next, you'll be prompted to name your portfolio. Be sure to choose a name that clearly reflects the projects you'll be grouping together. A descriptive name helps not only you, but also your team members quickly understand the purpose of this portfolio. For instance, if you're working on marketing campaigns, you might name it 2024 Marketing Campaigns. Once you've chosen a suitable name, go ahead and create your portfolio. This action will save the portfolio to your Asana workspace, and you'll see it listed among your other portfolios. Now that your portfolio is set up, it's time to add projects to it. Look for the option to Add Project within your newly created portfolio. Clicking this will allow you to select from your existing projects or start new ones that will be housed under this portfolio. Adding projects is crucial for keeping everything organized and easy to access. By grouping projects into a portfolio, you can track the progress of multiple projects simultaneously, set strategic goals, and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. It's a powerful way to streamline workflows and improve collaboration among team members. And that's it. You've successfully grouped your projects in Asana using the portfolio feature. By following these steps, you'll find it much easier to manage multiple projects and keep everything organized. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on using Asana to its full potential.